Come here, Tupac. Hi, Papa. Come here. This way. Come here. Wanna play? Come on. Come here. Hi. I missed you, man. I missed you. Woo. Hey, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Here's a good boy. Daddy, see it? Can I have it? You give it back to me? Give me back. Thank you. Crazy chicken. Get over here. Come on. You ready? There you go. Ouch. Easy. Try again. Without hurting Daddy. Hey! You need to learn how to be nice. I thought we went through this phase already, you being a nice guy. You learned some manners. You ever heard the saying, don't bite the hand that feeds you? You literally bit my hand as I was feeding you. What the heck was that? It's not nice. It's very rude.